it's the Backflip brothers here, and today we're going to be doing backflips in the rain. Okay, let's get it. See you outside. Peace out.
Why are you covering the phone? Okay, the first flip of the day. Okay, second flip of the day.
Third, it's gonna be a
Okay.
I'm gonna land it.
Come on, land this. You can do it.
You did anything? You landed.
You just ran towards the camera. Landed it. We're just taking turns doing back.
Subscribe.
Okay. Okay.
Should we do it off the thing?
Okay.
Oh, be savage.
Paul is prepping for his next move.
No, he's gonna do a backflip off of it.
Oh. Paul. Oh. He fell over.
And I fell over.
He fell over.
Alright. Let's get it. Get another
We should
one.
do that. What, backflip off like for the sun?
It doesn't. I barely had to tuck right there, and I did.
Go now. I'll be right back, guys.
Okay, Bryson's getting me an umbrella while JT is practicing his backflips. Because I don't want the phone getting soaked, because that would be very bad. That would be very much a bad thing. Oh, and he fell over. Very good lyrics right there.
Sound effects of his brother.
Okay, so we're prepping to do a backflip. Paul, JT, and Bryson, who's in his house, which has no power right now, they're all going to do a backflip off the mattress at the exact same time. This is going to be amazing. Paul is preparing for legitness.
How do you do it? I can't do it like that.
It's easy. Try it.
No, I'm not trying it.
I mean, I'll do it like that too. I don't care.
He's preparing for legitness.
Make sure you don't go behind me.
Stay right there, buddy.
Okay, Paul. Time to get ready. Do that backflip. You landed it! Yeah! That was really loud. That was really loud. Okay, JT. You're up. Do that backflip. Almost landed it. That was very close.
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Backflip brothers times 3.
Okay, I've got enough pictures for Okay, I've got enough pictures for the thumbnail. Now we need to do the triple backflip. So we're inside looking for the umbrella because it's raining super hard out there now. A while back it was just sprinkling, but now it's pouring kind of. Okay, the triple backflip is commencing. Well, Bryson isn't Bryson doing a front flip?
Yeah, he's doing a front flip. Right?
Okay, and Paul's doing a backflip. The triple backflip is happening. Okay, the triple backflip is happening.
Ah, dude, I'm so scared.
Count down to it.
Alright, on 3 we need to do it. Alright.
Getting ready to take a picture.
2, 3.
Okay, that was kind of cool. What are you doing? Oh, I thought you were going to cover the camera again.
No, you didn't hit me.
I hit Bryson.
Okay.
We all hit each other.
Like we're all talking about, what if Paul gets kicked in the chin? Oh, it's a good thing because we can put Gone Wrong in the title. And there goes Levi.
Over there, we ain't doing flips over there, kid.
Okay.
Hashtag cringe kid 04.
Cringe Kid 04.
Look how the tire is freaking sideways when you get that.
Oh, we could put that in the tag so that we can just put that in the tag so that if it ever becomes a meme, that'll be the first video to pop up. Hashtag cringe kid 04. Okay, let's do that triple backflip again. Well, 2 backflips, 1 front flip. Okay, so we're going to backflip off. Both Paul and JT are going to backflip off while Bryson lights some smoke bombs. This is going to be intense. This is intense.
Alright, get it smoking a little.
Wait till it starts smoking.
No, do one on the mattress. How about later? I took a ton of pictures. Now, after that's done smoking.
No, it's hot. It's hot.
Okay. Do the thumbnail quick.
Hurry, hurry. Hurry. Oh. Oh. That's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just...
Oh, it's not fine. Ah, I just got burnt.
It's fine, here, do it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry.
Oh my god.
Hurry, the thumbnail, the thumbnail.
1, 2, 3.
I took so many pictures.
Oh, look,
That's lit.
Yeah, it's so high. Oh, hold on, I'm putting this in the smoke quickly. Look at all this smoke. Oh, he's a smoke dancer or something.
It gets hot.
Oh no. Yeah, it does.
That's dope. Oh, look at the grass. It's like liquid smoke.
Actually smells nice.
Should I put it under the cup?
Yeah, do it.
Put on the cup. Let's put on the cup.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna light a smoke bomb under the cup. Okay.
No, light it in the grass. Like, oh, this is really cool.
Hold on. Get out of the way of the camera. Okay.
It's on,
That looks so cool. Look at it. Look at it.
It's kind of smoking.
Wait,
Hold on.
wait.
No, wait until it's done.
All of a sudden, it's gonna be like.
Okay, lift it.
Lift it. Wait. Lift.
Oh, there's smoke in the cup. There's smoke in the cup.
Oh,
Hold on, let me look inside.
look.
There was smoke in the cup.
Dude, it like makes it look like tie-dyed.
Oh, let me see. It looks tie-dyed. Hold on.
We got more of these?
Yeah, we have a ton more.
Hold on. Let's get this in the light.
No, we can't though. Oh, that looks so cool. Ready? Wait.
let me have the cup. Let me have the cup. Let me have the cup. Right. Let me have the cup.
Okay.
Look.
Look at the scooter.
It like
Look at
stained
the
at it.
scooter. It's stained.
It's stained everywhere except where it was.
Wow.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like the video, comment down below what you want to see next time, share with your friends, subscribe for more videos, and make sure you are backflipping on them haters. And as always, see you next time. Peace out.